Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just did a video with the Kiss and Cry bags, and now we're gonna unbox this Misfits box. I was using the Misfits box to hold up the Kiss and Cry bags. If you missed the video with the Kiss and Cry bags and you watch me for my skating content, there's a link to it in the description down below. I'm putting these aside. We're gonna do the Misfits box. It's only one box and it's a little bit different this week. I got my produce from Misfits. Tomorrow, I'm getting some other stuff from Imperfect. This should be interesting. Planning to put it all in one video. We'll see how that goes. Let's get this box open and find out what's inside. As a reminder, this is not sponsored by Misfits. I paid for everything in this box. And if you want to give Misfits a try, there's a link in the description down below where you can do that and you could save off your first order. I don't remember how much, and it does change from time to time. So just go in the description and use that link. Also, the reason I did this, I was gonna just order from Imperfect because I like to change it up. They didn't really have a lot of organic produce this week. Misfits, as they usually do, did. And Misfits didn't have a lot of the other things that I needed. Now let's get this box open and find out what's inside. Ice pack, useless piece of cardboard. No, the strawberries are smushed and running. Can you see that? Probably not. It's probably a little too dark. That's why I call it the useless piece of cardboard. They're all juicy. We're gonna tell them about that. I got some pastas, some veggie rotini, some garden pagodas. This one's organic. This one's just non-GMO. This one is veggie penne with green lentils, kale, spinach, and cauliflower. And everything in here smells like strawberries.
Oh.
Oh, Misfits. We got some beautiful portobello mushroom caps. Some of the sweet kale salad mix. Colin really loves this. And some of the Asian salad mix. He loves these. If it gets him to eat salad, I'll do it. Romaine lettuce. Some scallions. Broccoli. Looks good. Lots of leeks. Look at this. I love it when they say leeks and they actually give you leeks. For a while there, they weren't. They were giving you one leek, but we've got 3 leeks. They're huge. This is awesome. Thank you, Misfits. Celery. Some green beans. These are the French haricots verts. I say it every time. It's really important that I point this out. This is a full pound. When you get them from other companies, they're not a full pound. They're like half a pound. Some organic lemons. Actually, that was the deciding factor. There were no limes or lemons from Imperfect Foods this week. Russet potatoes. Just remember too, with Misfits, now you do have to be careful. Make sure you get organic items. It's easy to select conventional, although they do have a better selection of organic than Imperfect has lately. Some beans, and these were really priced well, but the cans are dented. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas. And then I'm not gonna take all these out for you because you've seen it before. The Fever Tree Refreshing Light Ginger Beer. They use in here carbonated water, fructose, ginger root, natural ginger flavoring, tartaric acid, and absorbic acid. There's no artificial flavorings in here. It's only 38 calories. It's pretty awesome, and it tastes really good. Colin had one the other day, and he didn't realize they were light. Even after he had it, I was like, oh, you drank one of the light ginger beers? He said,
that was light.
I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. I'm gonna show you what this looks like, and then we're gonna do Imperfect when it gets here tomorrow. This is what the sink looks like. And then my pastas and stuff are over here. And I still have some more ginger beers in there. It is nice that they're using a separator. Okay, so what did this cost? The scallions were $1.39. The green beans were $4.29 for a pound. The portobello mushroom caps were $3.29. The romaine hearts were $4.29. The broccoli was $3.89. The lemons were 2 pounds for $4.29. The limes, they say small limes. They are a little tiny. I mean, they're not super tiny. They're like normal limes. Those were $2.99. The strawberries were 1 pound for $5.19, but they were smushed. The celery was $2.29. The 3 pounds of organic, are these yellow potatoes? I thought I got russets. Oh, they are. They're yellow potatoes. The 3 pounds of yellow potatoes were $4.09. The Asian salad kit was $4.49. The kale chopped salad kit was $4.49. The leeks were $2.29. The gluten-free veggie penny pasta was $2.99. The gluten-free veggie rotini pasta was $2.99. The pagoda's pasta, which is super grain pasta, was $2.99. Organic chickpeas were $1.49. The black beans were $1.49. The red beans were $1.49. And then the 8 ginger beers were $5.98. So my total was $66.69. Shipping has gone up, guys. It's $6.99. I realize I'm a little behind on posting some of these videos. It's not my only job. Sometimes it takes me longer than I want to edit them. I was a few weeks behind in getting caught up to the current pricing of $6.99 for shipping. There was no tax, so my total was $73.68. Misfits says that's a savings of $27.99. What do you think? Do you think this is worth that? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. This is the second part of my weekly grocery order. I'm moving stuff around. Why just can't I get my act together before I turn on the camera? That would be useful for you, wouldn't it? Okay, so this is not sponsored by Imperfect Foods. I paid for everything in this box, and if you want to give Imperfect a try, there's a link in the description down below where you can do that, and you'll save off your first order. I'll save a little bit off my next order too, so it's a win-win for both of us. You already saw my Misfits order. Now we're gonna get the Imperfect box open, and I don't think I ordered any produce in this box, but we're gonna find out because I don't remember. So we have a piece of cardboard. Is it useless? You be the judge. It's branded and it has a QR code. You can scan this QR code. So if you hold your phone right up to the screen, you can scan that and find out what their tips are. I'm gonna show you this. I don't feel like this is what should happen. It's a cold pack, but it's open, completely open. There is a seal, look, one of the yogurts is stuck to it. There's a seal, but it's not sealed. Oh, Imperfect. Everything in here is dairy. Oh, it's nice and cold. We have some Nancy's probiotic whole milk yogurt, plain. It's organic pasteurized whole milk, organic pasteurized non-fat milk, and live yogurt cultures. That's pretty good. And I will tell you what everything in here cost. That cultured European style butter. I'm having trouble finding unsalted butter, but this is dented. Not sure I'm a fan of that. This is grass-fed, 82% butter fat, but it's not organic. It is grass-fed though. Some habanero cheddar. This is really good cheese. We've gotten this a couple times before and I like it. And this is the best Greek yogurt I've ever had. It just so happens to come from Imperfect Foods. This is grass-fed whole milk plain Greek yogurt. I got a bunch of these. 3, is that right? 3? We'll see when I check that receipt. And then I got, I'm hoping maybe Colin will eat this. Same yogurt I get from Misfits. This is the Knorr probiotic Geyer. I never know how to say that. This is blackcurrant and blood orange yogurt. And maybe he'll eat it because there's a flavor. I don't know. Some blueberry yogurt. It has a lot of sugar in it. But again, this is for Colin. This is grass-fed graziers. I got 2 of these, the blueberry. Some Tillamook pepper jack cheese, some of the True Story sweet Italian chicken sausage. This is defrosted. Everything in here is pretty wet. This is supposed to be frozen, I believe. I'm gonna have to reach out to them about that. Some aged white cheddar. And then we've got some whole milk. This is ultra pasteurized, and this is good for 3 weeks. So that's good. And Colin needed milk. We were out of it. And there is 1 ice pack in here and a lot of water. What did I spend on this? I'm missing stuff. I also ordered a Bella Italia black truffle infused extra virgin olive oil. Oh, wait. Here's the oil. I swear that wasn't there a second ago. What happened? That was $3.99. The Tillamook pepper jack cheese was $4.49. The 5-year aged cheddar was $4.99. The whole milk was $4.99. The chicken sausage, which is defrosted, $5.99. And that is organic chicken sausage. The habanero cheddar is $4.49. The whole milk Imperfect Foods brand yogurt, that was $4, but I only have 3. Oh, Imperfect, that's a little disappointing. For $11.96. The blackcurrant and blood orange yogurt was 2 for $4.38. The blueberry yogurt was 2 for $2.58. The plain whole milk yogurt was $6.99, and that's a large container. The butter was $4.49, but it's dented. And I was supposed to get a can of cannelli beans. That was $1.19. Here are the beans. Oh my goodness. I can't explain it. Is it magic? There's nothing else in here. I am still missing one of those yogurts. Italian sausage was defrosted and the butter is dented. So I'm gonna tell them about that. My total was $60.53. There was no delivery charge. I think it's $35 if you order more than that, you don't get a delivery charge, which is nice because Misfits always charges you a delivery charge and it's gone up. No tax. My total was $60.53. What do you think of these orders? Did I get a good deal? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Remember, if you want to try Misfits or Imperfect, you can do that. I have those links in the description. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with someone else you think might like it. You know what? Just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week that can help you with your budget, organic grocery shopping, your fitness, and your figure skating. So be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. Happy organic eating. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.